You won't believe how this transformation turned out. When my client walked in, she said, "I don't think makeup really suits me." Challenge accepted. Today, we are doing a full glam transformation on this gorgeous dark skin, and trust me, the results, stunning. Let's get started. So before we dive in, let's talk about how important skin prep is. My client told me her skin gets dry really fast, so I started with moisturizer, then to hydrating primer to give her that smooth glowy base, and mattifying primer to control oil and sweat. So this step makes all the difference, especially for deep skin tones. We want that makeup to melt in, not to sit on top. Okay? Now the foundation. Finding a perfect shade match for that skin is so important. No ashy or grey undertones here. Please, I used a lightweight full coverage foundation that blends seamlessly into her skin. Look at that glow. I always say blend like your life depends on it. Now we can't stop at foundation. We need to bring back dimension. So I'm adding some contour to snatch those cheekbones, define the jaw lines, and give her face that natural warmth. Contour on that skin is a game changer. And let's talk about the blush. Some people skip this step, but not us. A warm berry toned blush on her cheeks and just a little on her nose give that fresh, youthful glow. She's already looking so good. Next up is concealer. The essence is to brighten up her under eyes, the bridge of her nose, and her chin area, giving her that fresh, awake look. To lock in this process, or this hard work rather, I'm using Kiss Beauty setting spray on the entire face. Now let's lock it all in. Setting powder is key for that smooth, long-lasting finish. I'm pressing a finely made powder under the eyes, forehead and chin areas only, where we need it, so her skin still looks fresh and radiant. And equally go over the face with a powder that is her shade to give that smooth finish. And now, powder contour. Listen, nothing brings a face to life like some warmth and dimension. I'm using a deep bronzer to sculpt her cheekbones, jawline, and forehead. And just like that, instant snatch. If you're not contouring, you're missing out. And for powder blush, a warm blush on the cheekbones and just a little on the nose give that fresh glow. For extra definition, we are baking lightly under the eyes and jaw lines. Not too much, just enough to keep that contour shape and that under eyes bright. While that sets, let's move to brows. Brows shape the face, and my client has natural full brows. So I'm just filling in a few space areas with a pencil, brown pencil. Keep the stroke soft and natural, okay? A little gel to hold everything in place, and boom, brows are done. Nothing too heavy, just soft and structured the way we like it. Now for the eyes, she wanted something soft but still glam. I'm using a warm brown tone to add depth and a little matte on the lid for that effortless glow. A little smoke on the outer corners, matte in the inner corners to brighten the eyes, and of course gel liner for her waterline. Then mascara because lashes just bring everything together. Simple yet stunning. For the lips, we are keeping it classic. A rich brown liner to define and shape, blended into a soft nude gloss for that perfect glossy finish. This combo on that skin, always a win. It's giving effortless elegance and absolutely gorgeous. And just like that, we are done. The moment of truth, she looks in the mirror and say, wait, is this me? Queen. She went from I need to do this more often. The confidence, the glow, the soft glam. This is why I love makeup. The power of makeup is not about changing your face. It's about bringing out the beauty that is already there. If you loved this transformation, drop a fire emoji in the comment section. Let me know what look I should do next. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And always turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. Mwah.